Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got a package here from AJ Clark. And we're going to check it out. See, what's the best way to get in here? Probably right here. It's been a while since I've gotten a package. Alright. Let's see. Ooh. Got an abloy. Ooh. How does this work? There we go. That is awesome. Oh, it's a disc detainer. Very cool. I have only have one other disc detainer lock, and I have not been able to open it yet. Actually, I was expecting a little disc detainer lock pick to come soon. Just one of the generic ones, and I'll try to fix it up. Okay, we've got. That is awesome. That's really cool. Okay, we've got HQ lock, and it is AJ 11/24/19. He just made it. Baptism by fire. Awesome to get a challenge lock by AJ. Got Big Al here. Smell my finger. Kind of like Smell the Glove. It's number 150. Smell the glove like a Spinal Tap. Smell my finger. Looks like maybe a Sergeant QA. LS Dam. I will be passing that on. I have opened that before. Somewhere along the line. That is bound to happen. Alrighty. Pure Fun number 2, pinned by Pick Me 1977. You know what? I have picked a Pick Me 1977 lock that was called Pure Fun, but I think it was not Pure Fun 2. I think it was Pure Fun. And I don't think it had a key. It's been a long time. That was, probably in my first, 20 videos. But I think it was just Pure Fun, not Pure Fun 2. So we'll check that out. Mila 7 by Ting Tong, number 1. I have never picked a Ting Tong lock. I know that for sure. Great. Looks kind of like a Yale QA there. K1 locks, Beta lock. What one is this? Some of these aren't named. Some of the ones by K1 are not named. I don't think I've ever picked this one. That I am sure I've never picked this one. That's awesome. That's nice. We've got Tennessee lock picking. Hillbilly security. Oh, that's awesome. Based on a quick set type. Might have to check that out. Ooh, Bears back number 17. I think I've only picked one other Bears back lock. Oh, it's a Corbin, and if you look up there, it looks like there's a ball bearing, one of those old ball bearing pin locks. That's cool. And who is this? Who is this? That's Lazy Miner, average picker. Uh-oh. We'll have to... There we go. Got it. Thought we might have to play around with that. And another... One more. Take luck. Cameron Dunn, number 25. 9918. Cool beans. Alrighty. I'm going to get these bags out of the way. Noisy bags. Noisy. I'll be putting those back in there very shortly. We're just going to check things out. Man, that is cool. Thank you so much. This is awesome. I really like the challenge locks too, but this is a really cool looking old lock. Like I said, this is only the second disc detainer lock I have ever had. We're gonna go for it. We're gonna go for the Hillbilly Security by Tennessee Lockpicker. Thank you so much, AJ. I cannot wait to get into all these, especially yours. There's the bidding. We're gonna try old trusty here. Always seems to work well on quick set type locks. 50,000's top of keyway. This homemade guy here. Whoa, that's a lot of flop. That's a lot of flop. What are we gonna need once we get into this thing? Oh, it's just a clip. Okay. Got that. Let us see. That is serious flop. That was noisy. That is a nice old false set there. Nice false set. Oh, I just touched... I think that was 4. We'll see. A little click. I don't know if... Well, I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that was. Oh, no. All right. Number 2, let's see. Okay, 4 and 5. There we go. Okay, I just had to kind of massage lightly. Number 4 and then 5. That seemed like that's what happened there. Okay, you know what? Just for giggles, we're under 10 minutes here. I'm just gonna go clockwise and see what happens. I might give up real fast. Okay. Uh-oh. Well, we got it open. So, well... Okay, here we go. That was number 5. Uh-oh. Number 3, come on. Oh, dropped something there. Oh, I thought it was going to open right there. Oh, thought it was going to open. Boy, every click I think it's going to open. Well, we're going to have to call it. I don't want to make this too awful long. But we got it open counterclockwise. And that counts, right? Right. Oh, pinning tray. Almost forgot it. We'll use this guy. Oops. Okay. And of course, we'll use a shim. I hope. Where am I here? I need to go. There we go. Come on. Get in there. Boy, that is being stubborn. Well, we're going to go for that. Wait, what am I thinking? What am I doing? I'm crazy. I need a key. Why didn't someone tell me? Why didn't someone tell me I was being crazy? Okay. Alrighty. And we've got... Oh, don't lose that. Everything's working. Everything is right there. Right there at the shear line. Number 1 appears to be a standard. 2 is a serrated. 3 is serrated. 4 is standard. It's one of the double-sided key pins. Doesn't look like anything was done to the Bible. I mean to the core, to the plug. Whatever you... Whoa! Almost did it. Number 1 is a T-pin. Looks like it might be from one of those Schlage F-Series locks. That is standard. Spool. Looks like it was modified a little bit. Doesn't look like a standard spool. We'll look at that in a second. Five is kind of like a mushroom pin. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at that. I might have flipped that over. I hate it when I do that. Okay. And this is another one of those T-pins. That is the reason for that huge false set that we got into. And probably a little bit of that flop at the beginning. Okay, so we've got a standard in one. Again, and it's one of those like double-sided, beveled on both ends. And then a T-pin. Again, it looks like it might be from the, maybe from the Schlage, I think it's F series. And there's a serrated key pin and then a standard driver above it in 2. Serrated key pin in 3. A nice looking spool. It's hard to tell if that's standard or not. Looks a little thinner down here than I would expect it to be. Standard driver, but it is the bevel on both sides, both ends. T-pin. Standard. Then this guy. This looks like that looks like a mushroom pin. And I need to look to see if it was in that way or that way. I'm not sure. We'll check it out. We'll look at the video later. All right. Thank you for watching. Thank you again, AJ Clark, for sending this to me. And thank you to Tennessee Lockpicking for sending out number 1. Looks like maybe their first challenge lock, Hillbilly Security. Thank you again, everybody. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Be good and be well.